I'm really passionate about connecting people to the environment in a way that helps people and protects the environment. I don't think those things have to be separate. When I learned about the Sustainability, Equity, and Justice Fund, it was this large sum of money for students to make Western a more sustainable campus. Just kind of got my mind turning of, okay, well, what can I do? And I remember I was in the rec center just kind of thinking about this, and I was just looking out at all the cardio machines that we have there. People are working out super tough, and all this kinetic energy is wasted. So I went home that night and Googled, how could that system generate energy for Wade King Rec Center. I found out that there were products there on the market, and that's when I started following up with the program.
It's not about generating electricity in order to feed electrons back into the grid. It's really about educating students. Making that bridge between theory and practice is really key to what we do at Western.
Western staff was really supportive to make my idea come to life. It was my senior year too, so it was just like perfect culmination for my time here at Western, was to actually leave something behind. A friend told me about this nonprofit called Bike and Build. It's a perfect way to combine my sense of adventure with social good. We also stopped and built homes, and along the way we each raised $5,000 for affordable housing. Now I am a hiking guide for an ecotourism company based out of Seattle. I take people on day trips all throughout Washington, connecting people to the environment.
He's hopeful that we can actually turn around some of the practices of business that have been so destructive to the planet, and he's willing to make sacrifices for the greater good. I don't think there's any telling what Sean's future will look like, except there's one thing I do know, and that is that whatever he does will reflect his core values.
You don't have to compromise. You can still align those personal values and personal missions after college. The opportunities are there.